Hello guys, I am Shubham from ShubhVed Tutorials. We are solving the DBT PYQs of 2023. So before we start, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever new video is out. This is absolutely free from your side, but this will help us grow. So first question for today, which of the following statements correctly depicts the Beer-Lambert law? Okay, first point, absorbance is directly proportional to path length and concentration. Yes, this seems to be correct. Let's see other options also. Absorbance is directly proportional to molar absorptivity and inversely proportional to path length and concentration. No. Okay, wrong. Absorbance is directly proportional to molar absorptivity and path length and inversely proportional to concentration. No. Absorbance is directly proportional to concentration and inversely proportional to path length. No. Directly proportional होता है for the path length and concentration. First statement is correct. Which of the following dyes cannot be used as fluorescent probe or microscopy? मतलब fluorescent probe इसमें से कौन सा डाई नहीं है? Okay, which is not used as a fluorescent probe. So we know that fluorescent is used, rhodamine is used, right? DAPI is also used. Trypan blue is not used. So this will be the correct answer. Okay. Next. As the column. As the column बहुत easy होते हैं सॉल्व करने पे. We know that lymphoma है, leukemia है, carcinoma, sarcoma. Okay, now leukemia is what? Leukemia is basically a blood cancer. Okay, so cancer cells arising from hematopoietic. See, D statement that do not grow as a solid tumor. So D will be 2. Okay, D will be 2. This is in the option 3 and 4. 1 and 2 को eliminate करो. Okay, now D2 is common, C1 is common. A tumor arising from lymphoid cell, this will be 1, lymphoma. Okay, C1. Now, next, B3, B4. Okay, so B is what? A tumor arising from mesodermal connective tissue. Right, mesodermal connective tissue है, that is basically sarcoma. Okay, B4. So option number 4 will be the and A3. A3 is what? A tumor arising from endodermal tissue. This is carcinoma. Right? So like this we can solve. Okay, you have to remember this types of cancer, right? Depending on the origin. The origin कहाँ पे है? We know this sarcoma is a related to sarcomere. Sarcomere is related to muscle, right? Muscle is a connective tissue. Like this we can remember. Sarcoma is related to cancer of connective tissues, right? Carcinoma is easy, endodermal tissue. Leukemia is blood cancer, hematopoietic system, right? And lymphoma is a where lymphatic system is involved. Lymphoid cells are involved, right? Now the next question, common precursor of neurotransmitter, dopamine, epinephrine and norepinephrine. These are tyrosine. So basically, what is the benefit of showing this question and solving this? To make you understand that the question, the level of question asked is very much easy. अगर आपको पता है सारे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, राइट? डोपामीन, एपिनेफ्रिन एंड नॉरएपिनेफ्रिन, इसका प्रीकर्सर अगर पता है डायरेक्ट यू कैन आंसर. So just you have to know the idea, get the idea how is the question, how is the toughness of the exam basically, right? And ये जो क्वेश्चंस है इससे रिलेटेड और भी इंफॉर्मेशन आप निकालिए, right? That is very important. So when I say that न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर्स को आपको अभी यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन आया है, सो सी दैट न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर्स डोपामीन, एपिनेफ्रिन और एपिनेफ्रिन, इसके अलावा भी दूसरे न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर्स है, राइट? उसके प्रिकर्सर देखिए. मीन्स जो अगर यहाँ पे न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर डिस्कस किया है तो फाइंड द इंफॉर्मेशन टू दिस टॉपिक. इसके लिए आई एम शोइंग यू दिस क्वेश्चन, राइट। अब नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ मार्कर एंजाइम फॉर लाइसोसोम। ओके, मार्कर एंजाइम फॉर लाइसोसोम। लाइसोसोम का काम क्या होता है? डिग्रेडेशन करना, डाइजेशन करना। ओके, तो बेसिकली इसमें एसिड होते हैं, वी नो दैट एसिडिक पीएच। तो यहाँ पे मार्कर एंजाइम क्या होगा? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज एसिड फॉस्फेटेस, सिग्नल पेप्टिडेज, सक्सिनेट डिहाइड्रोजनेज, लैक्टेट डिहाइड्रोजनेज। ऑप्शन 1 which is logical basically, acid phosphatase, right? Acid phosphatase is a marker enzyme for lysosome. Which of the following enzymes is not involved in protein folding? Protein folding, अभी ये टॉपिक है। Protein folding related information you have to find out. Okay, now enzymes, which enzymes are involved? From the name you can understand. See, grow EL, grow ES. This is involved in protein folding. Protein disulfide isomerase. Okay, isomerase है, disulfide isomerase. This is involved in protein folding. Peptidyl prolyl cis trans isomerase. This is also involved in protein folding. Okay, this is also involved in protein folding. Peptidoglycan transpeptidase. This is not involved. This will be a correct option. This is not, asking not. Okay, so these three are involved in protein folding. Grow EL, ES, protein disulfide isomerase, peptidyl prolyl cis trans isomerase, and peptidoglycan transpeptidase, which is not involved. Okay. Now next question. Rehan made a single stranded DNA with the following sequence 5' to 3'. Okay, a sequence है with which of the following strands will it form the weakest duplex? Okay, weakest duplex इससे form होगा. Okay, see, now this is very easy to solve. How? यहाँ पे 5' है, यहाँ पे 3' है. तो basically complementary क्या होगा? That we will write first. 3' CC TA GA 5'. Okay, CC TA GA. So this first option is correct. Okay, ये option, तो ये तो strong duplex होगा. We have to see the weakest. So this will be strongest. Okay, so this will be strongest. इसको यहाँ पे inversion किया है, right? Then see the next option. 5' AGA ATT. Yes, ये weakest हो सकता है. Next one 3' CCA AGA. Okay. See, third option जो है that is what? Okay, let's understand this carefully. मैं ये same sequence नीचे लिखता हूँ in the 5' to 3' orientation. Okay. AGA TT, right? So we know that this will be strong. Okay, this will be strong. Which one? The first है, ये strong duplex होगा. Second one भी strong होगा. Okay, these are the same sequences, but they are inverted. ये 3' to 5' लिखा है in the first option. Second option 5' to 3' लिखा है. Now third and fourth में confusion है. So this is basically strong वाला duplex. Okay. अभी जो third option है, that is A T A A T T. So see, these three sequences are different. Okay, so this will be weakest. अगर मैं fourth को देखूँ, and if I write that now, it is 3' to 5', so I will write inverse C T A A G A A A A G A. तो यहाँ पे there is only this thing, right? एक ही यहाँ पे अलग है. So this will not affect that much, जितना ये affect करेगा, because इसमें 3 sequences missing है, right? 3 sequences are different. यहाँ पे only one is different. So thus the answer will be weak ड्यूप्लेक्स, राइट, वीक ड्यूप्लेक्स हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. So weak duplex will be option number. Okay, like this you can solve. Next question. Which of the following amino acid has two chiral centers? Okay, now chirality के बारे में question है. You should find out more information about chiral centers. Amino acid showing chiral centers. Two chiral centers किसमें है? Isoleucine में, right? Two chiral centers. Which of the following genetic processes involve sex pili? Very easy, conjugation. Sex pili conjugation में involve होता है, right? Given below are the two statements. Statement 1, palindromic sequence are DNA sequence that are same when each strand of DNA is read in the same direction. Yes, मतलब ऐसा सीक्वेंस जो यहाँ से भी रीड किया एंड यहाँ से भी रीड किया, in the both direction it is same, right? So statement 1 is true. Palindromic sequence serve as recognition sites for many type 2 restriction endonuclease. Yes, right. In light of the above statement, choose the correct answer from the option given below. Both statement 1 and 2 are true. Yes. Statement 1 and 2 are false. No. Statement 1 is correct. Statement 2 is false. No. Both are correct statement. Right. So ऐसे questions है. The level of question is, we can say, direct questions. If you know this well, you can get it. Right. So basically, motto is to give you idea about the question and how you can prepare accordingly. Right. Design your strategy. Okay. जो क्वेश्चंस हैं उसके रिलेटेड और इन्फॉर्मेशन आप सर्च आउट फाइंड आउट कीजिए, सर्च कीजिए, राइट. रिफर द थिंग्स रिलेटेड टू दिस कंटेंट. सपोज लाइसोसोम का मार्कर एंजाइम, इफ लाइसोसोम का पूछा है तो दूसरे ऑर्गेनेल्स का भी आपको आइडिया होना चाहिए. लाइक दिस यू नीड टू prepare. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope this video helps you. If you find this video helpful, do let us know in the comment section. Like this video, share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you.